Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to discussing about the topic of reduction of metal oxide. As a metal can be extracted from the ore as a two-step. One is conversion of ores into metal oxide. Second one is reduction of metal oxide. Now we'll see about what is the reduction of metal oxide. Here the crude metals can be reduced to metal oxide by using suitable reducing agent. So what is a reducing agent? Reducing agent is an element that loses electron. So ஒரு metal oxide இருந்து நாம் crude metal extract பண்ணோம்னாக்கா you have to use the suitable reducing agent. So what are the example? The examples are carbon monoxide, aluminium and other reactive metals such as sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, etc. So here we have to note down the two points. One is carbon cannot be used for the highly reactive elements such as sodium and potassium. As like carbon monoxide cannot be used for the oxides such as zinc oxide and aluminium. Now we are going to the topic smelting. What is smelting? So the concentrated ore can be mixed with a mixture of flux and suitable reducing agent at elevated temperature in a smelting furnace. So it has to use metal and slag. So before going to the topic, what is the flux? Flux is nothing but this is called as chemical cleaning agent. So flux is a substance added to the ore to reduce temperature and to remove the impurities. இங்க flux என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா ஒரு ஓர் கூட நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணும்போது அந்த ஓருடைய டெம்பரேச்சரை அதாவது மெல்டிங் டெம்பரேச்சரை ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணும். அப்புறம் அங்கே இருக்கிற இம்பியூரிட்டிஸ் எல்லாமே வந்து பார்த்தாக்கா ரிமூவ் பண்ணுற ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுற ஒரு கிளீனிங் ஏஜென்ட் தான் வந்து ஃப்ளக்ஸில் போகிறோம். There are two types of flux is there. One is called as acidic nature, next one is a basic nature. For the acidic nature example is silica. For the basic nature examples are calcium oxide and iron oxide. Next, what about the slag? So slag is the fusible product form. Then when flux reacts with gangue during the extraction of metals. Flux plus gangue, the mixture is called as a slag is there. Next, what about the fusion temperature? So degree of temperature at which substance melt. So such a temperature is called as a fusion temperature. Okay. What is smelting? Now only I told you the smelting is nothing but the concentrated ore can be treated with flux and a suitable reducing agent at elevated temperature. The elevated temperature is nothing but fusion temperature. Now only discussed what is the fusion temperature. At the smelting furnace, it has to use crude metal and also slag as a product. Now we'll see about what about the example for the smelting. First we discuss what is the extraction of iron from the iron oxide. So iron oxide, the molecular formula Fe2O3 in a solid state. It has to reduced by that carbon monoxide is a gaseous state. It has to use iron and also with elimination of carbon dioxide. Here the impurities can be removed as a slag. So here the impurities are nothing but gangue particles. So the gangue particles can be treated with a calcium oxide. Okay, the calcium oxide can be act as a basic flux because of here the silica is a acidic in nature. So that's why we are using calcium oxide. So the calcium oxides can be treated with silica SiO2. It gives a calcium silicate as a slag. Okay. So now only told you the calcium oxides are basic in nature. The silicon oxides are acidic in nature. The second example of smelting is extraction of copper from the copper pyrite. The extraction of copper from the copper pyrite done in reverberate furnace. The ore of copper, that means copper pyrite, it will be treated with oxygen. It will use a mixture of ferrous sulfide and copper sulfate. This is called as mati. Here from the mati, the ferrous sulfate, first it will be reacted with oxygen. It will give iron oxide. The iron oxide will be act as a flux. It has to react with the gangue particles. The impurities can be removed as a slag, as a iron silicate. So the remaining matis can be separated from the slag and fed into the converting furnace. So the remaining mati, it has to be containing copper sulfide. The remaining copper sulfide can be treated with or react with oxygen. It has gives copper oxide. Again the copper oxide can be react with copper sulfide. It has gives the 90% pure copper. The 90% pure copper is called as blistered copper. So that's all about the extraction of copper from the copper pyrite. Next, we will see about reduction of metals. The first one, the metals can be reduced by carbon. Reduction by the carbon. The reduction by the carbon can be takes place in blast furnace. Furnace na inalla ulai nu solluvom illaya, ulai. Adha vandu furnace. So this method can be applied to the metals which do not form carbides. எந்தெந்த மெட்டல்லாம் கார்பனோடு சேர்ந்து கார்பைடை ஃபார்ம் பண்ணாதோ அந்த மெட்டலுக்கு என்ன பண்ணலாம், இந்த மெத்தடை நம்ம வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ ஹியர் மெட்டல் ஆக்சைடு கேன் பி ட்ரீட்டட் வித் கோல். இட் ஹாஸ் ரெடியூஸ்ட் இன்டு மெட்டல். ஸோ ஃபார் த எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஃபார் த ஹியர் ஹேட் டு டேக் த ஜிங்க் ஆக்சைடு. Zinc oxide can be treated with carbon. It has to give zinc metal and with elimination of carbon monoxide. இங்கே நமக்கு ஒரு ஆக்சிஜன் இருக்கு. ஸோ ஒன் கார்பன் இஸ் இனஃப். ஸோ ஃபைனலாக நம்ம இதுவுமே மெமரைஸ் பண்ண தேவையில்லை. ஸோ ஜிங்க் கேன் பி எலிமினேட்டட். ஃபைனலி த கார்பன் கேன் பி கம்பைன்ட் வித் ஆக்சிஜன். இட் ஹஸ் எலிமினேட் as a கார்பன் monoxide. நெக்ஸ்ட் manganese oxide. Manganese oxide can be reduced by carbon. It has to give manganese metal and with elimination of carbon monoxide is there. ஸோ நம்ம கார்பன் மேங்கனீஸ் ஆக்சைடில் பார்க்கும்போது 4 ஆக்சிஜன் அண்டு வி நீடு 4 கார்பன். ஸோ நோ நீட் டு மெமரைஸ், ஜஸ்ட் அப்படி பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டு போயிடலாம். நெக்ஸ்ட் குரோமிக் ஆக்சைடு. குரோமிக் ஆக்சைடு கேன் பி ரெடியூஸ்ட் பை கார்பன். இட் ஹாஸ் கிவ்ஸ் குரோமியம் மெட்டல் அண்டு கார்பன் monoxide. So next one, reduction by the hydrogen. So this method can be applied to the oxides of metal that are having less electropositive character than hydrogen. So எந்தெந்த மெட்டல் ஆக்சைட்லாம் ஹைட்ரஜனை கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது குறைவான எலக்ட்ரோபாசிட்டிவ் கேரக்டர் இருக்கோ அந்த மெட்டலுக்குலாம் நம்ம பண்ணலாம், இந்த மெத்தடை யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஃபார் தட். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் silver oxide can be reduced by hydrogen. It has gives silver metal and hydrogen. Wherever the hydrogen is there, it has react with the oxygen. It has gives water as a product. அப்போ இங்கே இருக்கிற சில்வர் ஆக்சைடில் இருக்கிற ஓவும் இங்கே இருக்கிற ஹைட்ரஜனும் நம்ம கம்பைன் ஆகிட்டு இட் ஹாஸ் எலிமினேட் as a water molecule. Next, iron oxide. Iron oxide can be reduced by hydrogen. It has gives iron and water molecule. So apart from that, we have the one exception case is there. That will be a nickel oxide can be treated with a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas. It has to give nickel metal and carbon dioxide with elimination of water molecule. Here the mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas, that will be called as a water gas. So this exception case. So மற்ற மெட்டல்லாம் பார்க்கும்போது நம்ம என்ன ஹைட்ரஜன் மட்டும் யூஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம வந்து மெட்டலாக நம்ம வந்து ரெடியூஸ் பண்ண முடியும். பட் நிக்கல் ஆக்சைடில் மட்டும் ஸோ ஹேர் டு டேக் a mixture with the carbon monoxide. That mixture is called as a water gas. இது நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம வந்து 11th படிச்சிருக்கோம். A mixture of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide is called as a water gas. Next, reduction by a metal. So this method is called as aluminothermic process. In the aluminothermic process, metal oxide, it has to mix with ignition mixture and aluminum powder. It has to taken into the fire clay crucible. So these mixtures can be heated at 2400 degrees Celsius. Then it has to give metal as a product. Here the ignition mixture can be used as a magnesium and a barium peroxide. It has to help us to ignite the product, ignite the metal oxide. First, barium peroxide and magnesium oxide react together. It has to give magnesium oxide and barium oxide. So it has to start to ignite the chromium oxide. The chromium oxide, it has to treat the aluminium at 2400 degrees Celsius. It has to give chromium with release the enormous amount of heat. About the enthalpy will be del H equal to 852 kilojoule mole inverse. So sometimes you have to use some active metals also. So the boron oxide can be reduced by sodium. It has gives boron metal as a product. The rubidium oxide and titanium oxide can be reduced by magnesium. It has gives rubidium and titanium as a product. So finally, the thorium oxide can be reduced by calcium at 1250 Kelvin. It has gives thorium as a product. So next topic is auto reduction. The auto reduction is called as simple reduction because of no need to any reducing agent. Automatically the ore, when I heat the ore, it has directly it has gives the metal as a product is there. Here I will take the example is cinnabar. The cinnabar is a ore of mercury. When I heat the ore of mercury, the cinnabar directly gives the mercury metal as a product. So that's all about the smelting process. We'll see in the next class. Thank you, students.